everyone loves their father and mother, don't we? In our culture, we consider our parents as the visible God. And why not? Ever wondered how things in your life have happened so smoothly from your birth till now? It's because of the silent hard work put in by our parents. They provide us with the best education, best food, and imbibe in us the values of love, respect, humility, courage, honesty, and compassion. They are the ones who teach us about God. When we are in trouble or confused about something, they show us the right path. Even God Vishnu once told Markandeya Rishi that those who serve their parents are my best devotees. So, giving love and respect to our parents would be direct service to God. Thank you. Have a nice day.